Uh-huh. What? Hello?
Mm-hmm.
It's me. Oh. Let me get Lucas over here too. Subscriptions. Let's see. Yay, he's live.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Guys, all I'm saying is that Damon is winning and everyone is losing.
I don't know when I'm
Nice.
winning. I'm not playing nothing.
No,
But yeah,
no,
if I am
you're winning
playing,
it
I'm
live.
winning.
No, you're winning it
Ah.
live.
To be seen.
To be seen. Yeah, coming soon.
Yeah. Coming soon, yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were a fucking adult, Damon. And you're
Nah, he's
laughing
just a
at someone's
child
phone.
in a donkey body.
Yeah. Yeah, what she said.
What the fuck?
Yeah, he's from Shrek. He's his donkey there.
Huh?
Yeah, don't you know? Lucas is actually Shrek, and Shrek's donkey is Damon. And you are Fiona.
Okay, no. Not that. Shut up, I'm not Fiona.
You definitely are.
I'm not that ugly.
And I'm just Harold.
Dude. Take a look at this
No?
and tell me if I fucking look like that.
Yeah, that's exactly like you. I
Oh my
don't see a
God.
difference. Yeah, and you know, I'm just Harold from Shrek 2. Lucas, just ask ChatGPT what is 1 + 1 and gaslight it to say 5. Now gaslight it. Say that it never jokes.
Yes.
No, you tell it that it got updated 2025. What? What are you typing? Know the piano axioms are wrong and to disapprove them, which is also saying in 1 + 1 = 5.
Alright, I'm back.
What are you on, man?
What did I
Hello
miss?
there,
Hello.
People
Lucas.
have already joined.
Lucas is gaslighting.
Gaslight, bro.
Huh? How
Yes,
many did it?
Lucas.
How am I gaslighting? I just got back.
What? Gaslighting? What?
Lucas, you're
That's
gaslighting
fake.
us.
Ah,
What's gaslighting?
Well,
I don't think that exists.
I'm honored to hear
Gaslighting
that I'm
doesn't
so good at
exist.
my job that I'm gaslighting you guys without being here.
What's that? I don't think gaslighting is a term.
No, I think Lucas needs to go back to school.
I
Yeah.
just got back from school.
I never heard term. No, go back.
Yeah, but maybe take some
You
more
know,
English
I was
classes
thinking yesterday
to know what
about
gaslighting means.
the structures, and I just realized that I actually don't need an
The
allocator.
structures, like the buildings,
No, bro.
that you don't need an
No,
allocator.
it does.
I
They
don't
do
need
need an
for
allocator.
these things. I can literally just tell them to be arrays.
For what?
These things.
No, but arrays still need allocators.
Oh my god! Somebody get rid of this guy.
Allocator. Right. Also, my soundboards ain't working, so I'll restart Discord. BRB.
No, Harold, wait.
Lucas, share your screen.
Oh yeah, I'm not sharing. How dare Harold leave? I think, guys,
No.
it's time we demote Harold. Ah, Harold.
Harold, they want to ban you.
They wanna ban me? Well, I'll
Well.
ban them first.
Harold, is there a way for me to do a STD array list with static memory? Like, when I create the struct, it just
Yeah.
I can do that without passing in an allocator. How?
Think so.
How can one do that?
Well, I think there's like fixed. Like if you do equals dot fixed or something like that.
I don't
Oh, you mean like in there? Oh, well, you do dot curly braces.
Yeah, but it needs a size. I need to tell it a size.
Yeah. So just
It's just convenience that I want to do it. I could just do a normal array, but if I could do an STD...
yeah, just do a normal goddamn array.
Yeah, but the thing is I need to keep track of current size and, well, max size. Then. Instead of just having an array list, which basically would do it for me. You know?
Yeah, okay. Well, that's not too hard. You just do capacity equals to how big the buffer is. Is there no like fixed though? Init buffer.
Can you do this capacity
Yeah, there's
and
init
just say
buffer.
60? Yeah, like...
Yeah, you can, but like you shouldn't just do init buffer. There was an init buffer.
Yeah, but I don't want to pass in an allocator.
Yeah, init buffer does not need an allocator.
Oh, can I just do this? Oh, but
Yeah,
then
it's passing a buffer.
Then it needs a buffer.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess then I can keep the raw array above it, and then just use that, and then I just take advantages of the features of an array list for it, right? That could kind of work.
I guess, but also you can't init a buffer inside for the field.
No,
This
no,
is
no,
not C++.
but
You can't do bullshit.
This is not C++. Actually, it's kind of nice. Like, sometimes you wish, you know, you had these C++ features, but then again, when you wish you had them, then you just realize they are actually just making your code harder to understand and read and making more ambiguous and implicit. And you're like, thank God I don't have them, because I would use them.
Yeah. I know, that's why I don't want you to use C++, because I know how big of a mess it will become.
Oh, Big is saying something.
He's probably saying something stupid.
Psychology. He's doing that.
Oh, he's studying psychology. Well, that ain't too down.
He's a crazy person. Tell him.
Yeah.
Tell him how crazy you are.
I think
Okay.
you're the crazy one.
This
Crazy?
might be the most
I was crazy
disgusting...
once.
Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room filled with rats. And rats makes me go crazy.
No, they didn't.
Crazy?
Nah, you're crazy.
I'm a crazy. Exactly. We all crazy. We all, y'all. I'm gonna call you Raw.
Oh.
Is there actually, is this the, I think this is the most stupidity, and then we're gonna
Yeah,
do
I don't know
this.
what you're doing right now, man.
I'm doing big brain stuff, bro. You don't know. Fuck. Not big. Fuck! I'm gonna already give it 16. And actually now I'm just gonna chat with AI and say,
Bro, you're...
am I stupid or is there a
Oh,
better way?
you are stupid. There is such a
No,
better
you are
way.
stupid.
Thank you.
Lucas, just make the image image infos the like buffer called, I don't know, maybe image infos count or
Yeah, but
you
then I
know.
need to keep track of the max and I need to keep track of the count. And then I need to do it for
No,
all of these.
no, because the max is just the length of the
Oh, yeah,
buffer.
right, they keep. I forget that, sorry. But I still need to keep track of the count. And why not just. And then I don't. Then. Ah!
If I released stores like a bunch of other stuff also, like capacity and items, and yeah, nah, I just don't do it like that.
Okay, I will trust Mr. Harold. And just do this. And
Yeah, you better.
and I will get rid of those damn godforsaken appends, because I just read more on this and it seems like this is just something that will reset either way, and I will probably never go above 16 on these ones, so I'm like, let's just not do this then. Like so. And then of course append will not work because there's no such
You don't
thing.
have to set them to undefined, you can just leave them not defined as anything, and it just requires that you fill it in later.
Nah, but I will put them down, fine. And then I need to keep track of. Should I put the count directly with it? Or
Under. Yeah.
Edge count. Right.
Technically you can do something with anonymous structures, but I won't teach you about that because you would abuse it.
Ah, come on!
And also it wouldn't really be that much of an improvement.
You're no fun, Harold. You don't want to teach me about the things I would love to abuse.
Yeah, good reasons for it.
Wah. And then we can get rid of the allocator from here. We don't need the allocator anymore. It can go bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye!
One thing also is that you should probably store like count and len and stuff like that in a U size, but if you're using like with Vulkan stuff and you want to pass them in as the pointers, then it's whatever.
I hope this... Yeah, this is a structure.
That won't work.
Yeah, it will. We'll just take... It's a structure.
No, it's yeah, sure, but it's the indexing that's wrong, because indexing you can only do with U size.
Shit. Why is Sig like that anyways, that you can only do it? What if I only want to be able to do 2?
Yeah, too bad.
Too bad, okay, this sucks some ass, to be honest. I'm
Because
just saying.
Because
It's
it's
because Sig
supposed to be a
doesn't like to
computer language,
autocast.
not a fucking user language.
Yeah, Sig just likes to be declarative. What can you say?
Yeah, but I mean, like, why can't I just create buffers that use indexing of U32 or something like that? Why do they all have to be...
Yeah, it has nothing to do with performance.
That
Yeah.
U size is faster is for indexing. I mean, I guess.
No,
Yeah,
but like
user
U
is
sizes are the
faster.
most efficient thing to store, and they're the same size as pointers. So if you store like a slice, which is a pointer to the actual data, and also the length can be U size, and it is
Are you-
slicing, and
doesn't Sig
yeah,
allow-
there's a bunch of reasons for it.
You're not allowed to do it like this in Sig? Like, you're not allowed to access the index?
No, you do plus equals 1.
Ah.
There's no plus plus.
No, there's not-
That I actually don't like, but it's...
You cannot do this either. Because I would like to
You can,
implement
but you have to
after
put it in an expression.
I have to do it outside. I cannot do it like inside of the thing.
Oh yeah, like that. Yeah, technically, yeah, because it's self-operation, I guess. Yeah.
Do you
Okay.
need file system or mass storage controller? Mass storage controller.
I mean, why did the image come when I'm working on the? What the fuck am I doing here? It's the buffer, and I'm trying to. Nah, bro.
Run.
I'm a bit. I like to troll myself a little bit, you know.
Why is this function called with an uppercase B?
It was because they were used to call writer image, and then the structure was called descriptor writer or something like that. And I was like, I can just remove those things. But yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, I cannot call these ones the same now, but we'll fix it. I don't know how to fix this. How about that, Harold?
Just like say if this is a writer, just what does this buffer function do?
It just creates this adds this buffer writer to the when you bind the descriptors.
Call a function buffered
Buffer.
or something. That's kind of stupid. I don't know, man. You can call it whatever.
You can call it whatever. Well, that's what I'm trying, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, but they call it the write buffer.
going too well.
Descriptor writer write buffer, and I'm already inside of the descriptor, so I'm just gonna call it writer and then write the buffer. Writer buffer. But I can also just wait. Let me just fix this first. Now we're gonna do write count. Bro. Bam. What's that? Now you can get rid of that. So now we'll just have this in here. And then here, I guess I could just rename this one to in buffer. That's usually what I do, but I could also have writer append buffer or create buffer. I guess append image and an append buffer. Maybe will work. So, and then clear. Now these things don't need to be destroyed because they are already, they're just arrays, so.
Yes.
Actually clear is something that is not, it's not a D in it, it's actually just a clear. So I will have to do actually a self and then just, I guess I could just reset these values because I will just start overriding. No, because I could still access them by accident. Nah, we'll just put them to 0. We will have some funny misbehaving stuff if it's wrong. Best would actually be to completely just... Yeah, maybe I could just do a mem copy and just put them all to 0 or mem 0. Is there a mem 0 in Sig? There has to be, right? There has to be a mem 0.
Do you want to set the entire thing to just 0?
Yeah. Just so I don't fuck up.
Okay, yeah, you can do. You can just do self equals std mem zeros and then pass in at this. Is to self equals. Oh, it's just self equals.
So I can 0 the whole thing?
You can.
Oh damn.
Yes.
Std mem zeros.
And then...
Yeah, and then you pass in at this.
Damn, that's pretty damn good.
Probably you've seen nothing.
Yeah, because not...
There's also like
those...
0 init. So, and 0 init basically does So all the fields that you don't enter anything into will just have 0, which is useful.
Hmm. Damn. Okay. And then
Ooh.
yeah, now I cannot probably do this anymore. Now I literally just have to go for self rights. But this should work now.
No, you don't. You can just slice it.
Can I not? Oh yeah, I need to actually access just for that. That would have gone bad. Right.
Yeah.
Count. So. And yeah.
Is right count like how much you've written, or is that like a writer thing that Vulkan has? Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anyways, yeah, great.
And then we'll just have to change a bit here. Not len. This is actually just
Don't forget to...
this, and then this is will be the data. But it has to be.
Just do PTR.
Can I do PPR on this?
Yeah.
No, this I cannot.
Oh, you do slice 0 ... dot. No, it's dot.
No, that's fine too.
Dot! Oh my god.
Yeah, but that looks.
We ban this guy,
stupid.
Harold?
Yeah, we do. Bro, that's like stupid. That looks trash. And
that's
it's
how you
garbage.
do it in C. You take the first.
Yeah, I
index
guess
and
what they say in C.
I don't know.
In C, you also write ugly as code, so I don't know, man.
Shut up.
Just do 0 ... and then
Nah.
you can do .ptr. It's good for your
Okay,
for you to learn slicing.
Okay, to be honest, that's true.
Oh. We're gonna keep him?
Yeah. Don't forget that you have to int cast self rights count because it's a U size and it expects a U32.
Alright. Okay. Okay, so now the allocator should be gone off all of these places, so that's great. I believe that this will be valid.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, let's see what happens.
We'll see what happens. That's a good way to put it. Wait, append buffer, right, and append image. Wait, something is missing. I just realized that. Wait, do I actually? I must have done something wrong here. What the fuck? Yeah, so there this is that. And then here. Why do they keep track of these things? Because I'm like, you do update set, you take writer set, you take writer, you get the set, then you never use, they never use these other ones. I'm a bit confused at why. Whatever. At least we got rid of that allocator. You know? That was
Yeah, I
crazy.
mean.
Yummy. Alright. This should pretty much be the same. Don't have to change anything here. So now this objective will prove more useful when we blah blah blah. And yeah. Sounds good. Now we'll go to the swap chains again, check that we have all of these, added this over here. And then I added it also here, this thing. It should do that, and then The renderer. Wait, no, wait. Get current frame. And then they clear the. This was the thing I got confused on yesterday. Yeah. Now we can clear this every frame when we flush frame deletion. This goes at the start of a draw. Now that we can allocate descriptors as dynamic, we will be allocating the buffer that holds scene data and create its descriptor set. But I don't understand, why would you want to clear it every frame? That's kind of weird. Wait, clear pools? Why would they do that? Frame data. Why does it only display these shitty ones?
Oh my god! Why?
Tell me about this. Why?
Oh no, nothing.
What the fuck? Where is this shit located? Oh boy, I don't even know where it's located. I've had enough. Mm-hmm. I guess it's more relevant to this. That perfect.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I could have just put it actually. This is getting annoying, just trying to get this moved around, but let's see. Whoa, time flies so damn fast sometimes. But yeah, okay. This makes sense, but I don't understand, like, why would they flush and delete it per draw? That's like the most stupid thing, like. Well, I guess if it's just this thing, why would you do that even? Per every draw call. Like, I would understand if it's like specifically sometime, like. But most of the time you're not gonna. Well, I'm not thinking of that I'm gonna be just destroying the descriptor sets every damn time. That just sounds stupid. At the beginning of every damn call, you just let's build new ones. Like, what the fuck? I understand changing out the rights. That I understand. Descriptor sets, or maybe I'm misunderstanding this thing. Like, if I go to the DNs here, like, what, destroy descriptor pool and destroy. Why would they do that every frame? And then they recreate them. Oh wait, there's a clear pool. Maybe clear pool. Oh, that reset descriptor pool and reset descriptor pool. Okay, that maybe. Not really. not really. Does not really make sense. Update set. Let's see. Do they have? They have the throwable. Wait, what? Allocate. Destroy pools. Clear pools. But clear shouldn't this clear's just freeing up, right? You don't still free the whole thing, I think. Okay, we got it. Let's see, open. Now we can try to find this damn thing I'm trying to find. Oh my god. Okay, what? Okay, wait. Did I not get the... Did I find the right thing? Yeah, it should be in chapter 4 in the root. No such thing. Did I clone the wrong repo somehow? Ah. All chapters 2. What? Did I hit typo? All chapters 2. All chapters 2. No, there is no typo. Git fetch. A git is not recognized? What am I? Ah, bro. I'm retarded. Let me just move this Vulkan right outside. Good, now I should have it. I moved it. Ah, so smart. Yeah, now it's there. And now we can try to find it. Yes. Actually, what I'm trying to find is just the damn this thing. Chapter 4 here. So the flush. Okay. And then they clear the pools. Well, that's great. I want to, cannot even get. Oh yeah, but it's. Oof. Oof. Fucking OOP, I swear to God.
Lol.
I swear to. Jesus Christ, OOP sucks so much. Like, how? Nah.
Yeah, true.
We're gonna have to do this the hard way then. Actually, I have to go through every single possibility that I could refer to. But that should be... Okay, wait. Chapter 4. Here. Somewhere.
Microsoft basic data.
Get last round. I'm trying to find just flush or clear pools. That's the only thing I care about. Just get me that damn thing. Oh, there is no... Nah, bro. Okay, here. But that's not...
Okay, so no.
That's so dumb. That's not what it's supposed to... Oh wait, that is what it's supposed to be. So yeah, just pools clear. Reset, and then it clears the full pools. Kind of weird, but sure. So it actually is just a clear pools. It's so dumb. Alright. You're gonna do the same in the draw. Oh, I already have it. Damn, how about that? But I don't have the flush, and I don't think I want the flush even. So what the fuck? Kinda hard to understand what they do in their flush, but because, oh wait, well you can see, it's actually just a here. So it initialized the whole thing, and then in here, main deletion. Okay, that's just for these things. Destroy pools. Okay.
Damn, bro, I think our world is cooked. Like, this header, I mean, it says copyright
Hello,
1987.
What world is cooked? What are we talking
1987.
about? Oh, hello, Nadir, 8951. There's another person. Damn, I didn't pay attention to chat at all.
Yeah, what I was gonna say is that I'm in a header right now and it says like copyright 1987.
Ah, that sounds like you're reading C code.
I am reading C code.
See, not good
Well,
old
yeah.
C. I'm telling you, bro.
Not good.
Hey.
No.
Anyways.
C can be good, but C can also be bad.
C can be bad and C can be bad and C can be bad.
This guy don't understand the power of C.
I understand it, and I see all the stupid shit you can do in C also, and I'm like, nah.
Well, that's true, but C is still pretty good. Anyways.
I don't know what that.
First streamer ever to pronounce my name right. Let's go. Wow,
What?
I'm impressed. Of all the
What?
names
There
I ever
is-
pronounced.
That's a pretty common name, bro. How do they not?
Hey, come on, don't take this away
Yeah.
from me, alright?
my
This is
God.
my moment, okay? I've pronounced the name right. Alright?
I mean,
Now that we got allocated descriptor sets dynamic, we will be allocating buffer that holds... Wait, now that we got allocated descriptor sets dynamically, that's kind of crazy. We will be allocating the buffer that holds scene data and create descriptor set. Add new structure that we will use for the uniform buffer of scene data. We will... Okay, so the uniform buffer now. Scene data. We will hold view and projection matrix separate and then pre-multiplied view projection matrix. We will also add some vectors for a very basic lighting model that we'll be building next. Okay, so let's see. View projection. Why this? You already got it here. Why? Okay, sure. Ambient color, sunlight direction, W for sun power. Alright, sunlight color. Alright. So, I mean, add new descriptor layout on the Vulkan engine class. Where? I've always put them in just a spot where it feels nice to have them. but I don't know if it's the best way to go about it. Let's see, where do they actually put their chapter 4? They put them straight in the engine.h. No, that's just a... That's not the declaration. Crazy. Wait, where the fuck is this coming from? It just exists. Bro, come on. Don't do this to me. Okay, well, I don't know. I guess I will also just put it in my, so to speak, renderer. And I will remove it from here once it makes sense. This should... Actually, I'm using this information. But I don't need to use it anymore, so I can get rid of it. It's kind of like a redundant thing, to be honest. Yeah, we'll get rid of it. And anything that has to do with it, we will just say, too bad. You are not in use anymore, so we don't need the mesh anymore. Well, that means we could also remove it from here. The mesh go bye-bye. And then the mesh go bye-bye. And I know there's more of these, but for now we will just ignore them. Like I usually do with my problems anyways. And now we'll add this thing in there instead somewhere. What is this? Add new descriptor layout on the Vulkan class. Yeah. I'm just gonna add it at the top. Again, because it's just for testing right now. Const struct. And we don't have these things, but we have another thing called numz. And what's it? It's a matrix.
What is this?
F32s.
numz, the best math library ever made.
For real, on God.
Yeah, totally.
Shut up, Harold. Shut up. I know what you're about to say. Shut up.
Bros pretending C was a modern language.
Fuck you.
Like type colon name. Yeah, I mean, why not? Someone should make that. Anyone get on it, make modern C. You see, but like we want to like Rust and
C3
C
already,
syntax.
bro. We don't need that.
Nah, C3 is not modern C, bro. That's just like Sodding's little happy place. That's not like an actual programming language.
Oh fuck, shit pants.
Sunlight direction. I'll see if Lucas does it. Will he do it? Can he figure it out?
Shut up.
Can he figure it out? Will he figure it out? And he does figure it out. You know, there is a thing in VS Code. You can just do like Control Shift P to snake case.
It's never enough with this guy, you know. I might say that I've
Man.
figured out this cure for cancer, and he's like, you know that.
Also, why are you calling it Conus GPU and like all uppercase? Why not like lowercase p and u?
Because it's an acronym.
Right. Technically,
I'm gonna get some more tea.
and said it's also an acronym. No, it's whatever. Yeah, Lucas is the only one who's gonna ever touch this shit anyways. Bro, how many files has he created? So many files. Bro. Bros has been slaving away on this for like forever.
Yeah, you were saying?
That you have been slaving away on so many files, man. Like, how many files are there?
There are gonna be a lot more, don't worry about it. And we still don't have textures.
Oh my.
But we're about to get textures.
Oh my god, Lucas.
Don't worry about it. It will make
Bro,
sense.
This is if this was in OpenGL, it would literally be like 50 lines of code.
Yeah,
All of these.
I
all
know.
of it.
I
The entire
know.
Vulkan renderer.
Bro, we had it working 40 episodes
Yeah.
back with OpenGL.
Yeah, I know. And you know what? It will probably be faster also.
No, I'm not gonna use OpenGL. I like Vulkan. I love Vulkan.
I know you're not gonna use it. I'm just pointing out that it's like a lot easier to use, and
I don't
anyone that
care
keys up
about
on
the
Vulkan,
easy part.
that's totally
I care
fair.
about learning and understanding. Hmm?
Okay, have you learned anything?
Yes, I have learned a lot.
Well, you sure haven't been learning about formatting? Because this
Hey.
config looks garbage. Add a comma. Comma at the end, bro. Like, what am I reading? Oh, what is that? Bro is the one who's like, yeah, I want readable code also, bro.
This is more readable.
Not even Zig format can save you.
Nah. How is that more readable? That's the least readable
No.
shit I've ever seen.
I don't know, bro.
Looks, not even Zig FMT can help you.
Bro, I don't know about this. This
Yeah,
is
no, we
so
need something
horrible.
else, bro.
I prefer this one. It's way better.
What? You prefer
What
that?
the fuck?
Yeah.
You
Oh,
prefer that? I
well.
prefer not to need to wash my eyes out with bleach.
You guys
Oh my
are
God, bro.
rude, alright? I'm just saying.
Guys, we're gonna put this in coding and we're gonna get all the figures on this.
All the stickers. Get them all of them stickers. Wait, why do
Yeah.
I have a variable called max pipelines when I already have... Don't I have that already?
Why do you have a thing called max pipelines if it's like a buffer anyways?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I forgot to activate brain.
You have nothing
You
to
always
activate.
do.
Well, I need to point it out.
Like a pointer? Well, if the pointer to your brain is just null.
What?
Now the pointer is there, the data is not.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
Wait, so they have now separated layout from... The layout is not included in this thing, right? You have the init... Yeah, they pass in... Where does the clear pools... Allocate... PK device... Okay, you pass in the layout here. And then descriptor set... So do we still use the old descriptor set with the new one? How does this work? Oh my god. This is some crazy shit. Okay, I'm just gonna add something and we'll build something up and figure out from there what the fuck this new system is supposed to work. I'm just gonna call it scene data. And then I'm gonna do this simple shrimple, like so. And then we're gonna take another one, this, gonna basically call it, should I call it the same thing? It's so damn ugly, so I might just...
Lucas, look in Twitch chat.
I'm just gonna call it this ugly thing. Twitch, there's nothing in the Twitch chat.
YouTube?
There's nothing there either.
Nothing? Yeah, that's right. Please add a comma for the config. That shit is like so bad. I got my reading. It's just a bunch of symbols. It could literally be hieroglyphs.
So, what does it help to add another comma? Doesn't that just add more symbols?
So we can read. One more comma and then you can actually,
No, because this
see the
one more
difference
comma will add
between
3 more new lines, and you wanted to save all those new lines, so I don't know, bro.
Sometimes readability is
It's
over,
more readable without that damn extra new line. I have to scroll a whole third of a page more to get down to the content. I don't know, bro.
That sucks so much.
Like
Yeah,
I think the problem is that you put, because I think the issue is that how long is this file?
Oh, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna take away like a lot from here. I think. I hope.
Bro, this ain't even software at this point. This is just bloatware.
Bro, it's only 500 lines, alright? And 300 of these lines are not even gonna be here, so don't worry about it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Sure, buddy.
I think it's just this one will be only like 200.
So if it's already like 500 lines, why not add 3 more lines?
Because it's gonna bloat when it gets to the 200, you know what I'm saying? I'm
No.
preparing for it, you know?
But bro, look at how unreadable that is. That's a cube of trash.
Bruh. How is
Okay,
this
Lucas,
unreadable?
how about this?
Nah, he's got a
Let's
point.
just not even use new lines. Let's just put everything on one line. That would be more readable.
What? No, we would save a lot of lines. That's your argument is completely wrong here.
No, bro, it will be more readable having it all on one line than having this trash.
Bro, you crazy.
Lucas, you are fundamentally wrong.
Yeah, something happened where like you must have been dropped on the floor when you were born.
No.
Dropped on the
It
floor.
was after
Something
I
ain't
was
right.
born,
It was-
not when.
But you know, it was instant, you know, because you were so heavy.
I wish I was heavy.
You wish you were heavy? Yeah, you did.
Jesus Christ.
Go to McDonald's and even look and just look at a burger.
Bro, I can eat like 5 of them and nothing happens.
Oh wait, fuck!
Yeah,
I have to use this, or whatever.
All right, we're gonna do the next thing. Create the descriptor set layout as part of the init
Ow.
descriptors. Wait, what? Create the descriptor set layout as part of the init. Yeah, I don't have a separate init. I just do them all after each other there. It will be descriptor set with a single uniform buffer binding. We will use uniform buffer here instead of SSBO because this is a small buffer. We aren't using it through buffer device address because we have a single descriptor set for all objects, so there isn't any overhead of managing it. Let's see, so they do descriptor builder, the bindings, and then they just, what do they do? Builder build, and I put descriptors in. Okay, so they just create this thing there with this information. In a local scope, or where does this happen?
No, it's C++, probably in the global scope.
Probably, fuck do I know?
Wait, what happened where?
I'm gonna find out where it happened.
Yeah, it's C++ and you know, the C++ devs like to have globals
Oh
everywhere.
yeah, it is actually.
You see, I read it like a book because I know what C++ developers are. I know what they are. I know where they live. I know what they do. I know why they are. I know who they are. I know who they like. I know what they like, which is just C++ and having unclean code and garbage memory management and shit language and terrible updates and shit that updates every time and that's, yeah, nothing else deprecated either. I don't know.
GPU scene data. Descriptor the GPU scene data, I'm gonna call it descriptor set layout. It's just the whole thing. I create both of them at the same time. Pick a descriptor, receive what you try. Dot init. But now the thing is that I will not be able to, they just say add binding, uniform buffer, vert shader stage. Wait, am I doing this wrong? No way, I'm doing this wrong. No, wait, what the fuck? Descriptor. What? Hold on, what the fuck? Wait, slow down. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know what it's do. Oh my god. Like so. But I will not be able to, because this is now just a. Just take me to the damn thing. Wanna get to the builder. Get me. Oh my god, where is this thing? Why is this so damn ass? Okay, here. Do they still keep the descriptor builder? And then they just, or the layout. And then have the descriptor writer, descriptor allocator, growable. Okay. So they have a builder for the layout. Yeah, I don't. I would have
Lucas
to
has
check.
all it's gonna be like, yeah, we're gonna have a builder. Yes, this is OOP led. We want builder. Yes. Am I right?
Maybe.
Sounds like a Lucas solution to this.
Shut your ass.
It's true.
No. Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, we can actually take all of these descriptors and move them away from here, putting them back in there. And then what we can do is, because the naming will become a lot more convenient for all of these structures, this will no longer be a structure file, it will instead just be a namespace. I think this will be a lot more
Neural
convenient.
structure.
Let's do this. We will take everything that we got in here, and we're gonna take it away from here.
Alright, this reminds me I have to send Chef a very good thing.
That's very good of you. And we'll put it inside of here.
Yeah.
I think we can put it at the top. We will basically move a lot around. Hello, Alperoski. I never know if I say that thing right or not. Anyways, and then we can take this thing. We go back in here. And what this thing used to do... What am I saying? But basically we will create a new structure. Pubconst. Yeah. Public. Pubconst. This thing struct equals, and then here we'll put all of these. Actually, we can just, it's easy to do this. And then we'll go down to the trade pool all the way to here. Yeah, why is it still not?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yo.
Then I would rename this to descriptor lowercase, and we can get rid of this file. Oh, it's Omi. What's up?
Not much, not much.
It's only the homie with the 6-7 headsets.
Yeah, how many headsets do you have?
Yeah, approaching to 7. 6 right now, approaching to 7 probably.
Yeah, so like
Probably.
6-7.
Yeah, probably, maybe, most likely, probably gonna happen. It will happen.
Yeah, so he has like, 6-7 headsets.
Yeah, stop repeating that.
Huh?
So-
But it's just like, that's around 6-7.
Wasn't that number banned?
Is that number banned? How come?
I don't know. Did
Yeah, I
we,
said it like
vote?
6-7 times.
Didn't we like vote on it or something?
Did we?
I think
That
we
must
did.
have been like 6-7 years ago.
Oh my god. I don't know really
Where
what
is
that-
this?
like what, but honestly, does that number have any special meaning? Is it just like
Nope.
6-7?
It means nothing.
You're just rage
Act-
baiting.
No, actually, I've watched a video from a linguistic PhD today. It was about that.
No, but like
And
6-7?
Yeah, exactly.
Was it
So
like 6-7
apparently-
minutes?
6-7.
It dates back to Skrillex, and it might have to do with the dead bodies.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought it meant absolutely nothing.
No, actually, so I mean, according to his analysis, it's a police call for a dead body, something like that. I can link it to the
Okay,
video.
you know what? 67 is like, it's a number. Also, did you know that? That's crazy.
I think it's 2 numbers, but I might be wrong.
No,
Get 'em.
yeah, well, technically, no, well, it's 2
Conceptually,
digits.
it's one number.
Yeah, it's one number,
Unless
but
it-
2 digits.
Unless it's 6 minus 7, because you use the dash.
Yeah, but no, that's like 627. You know.
My brain want to commit suicide. What the fuck, guys?
Yeah, you're Finnish, so you can finish.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you for giving me permission to finish.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I always give permission.
Bro, what the fuck? They trade the same. Okay, whatever. I mean, it's not that dumb. There are gains in that, but fuck, bro. Okay,
Their gains? How many gains?
2, maybe 6, 7.
Really?
Okay, I'm just gonna you initialize, you clear, you allocate.
Well, you know,
compose.
I'm gonna go to sleep now because I have like 6-7 tests tomorrow, and I'm gonna sleep for like 6-7 hours.
Actually, I have to see
The
when I
last
go.
one was true,
plan.
the other one was false.
What?
Yeah. Anyways, see you later,
Alright,
allocators.
see ya, good
Bye.
night. Oh shit!
Good
I
night.
actually got schooled early tomorrow as well. Holy shit. Fuck. Okay. I was actually not thinking. I was thinking like I would take a little bit longer today, but no. Okay. I'm just gonna. I actually need to go because I got early wake up tomorrow. And I would. Yeah.
Wow, only an hour stream.
You don't have
Damn.
recap
Alright.
tomorrow.
We'll end the stream. I need to go, but Harold, hit it if you're still here. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye.